Hello dear children, Saira. You all must be familiar with the name of Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate his birthday on 2nd October. He was one of the most respected leaders who helped Indian people to fight against British rule and get freedom. We all call him Bapu. Bapu means father. He is known as the father of the nation. Now children, I'm going to read the chapter. You all have to pay attention. You have to listen to it carefully. Okay, let's start now. Chapter number 4, Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar, a small town in Gujarat. He was fondly called as Bapu. Now what is the meaning of fondly? In a loving way. He did his schooling in Rajkot. As a child, he was very shy and avoided all company. He used to go to school on time and rush back home as soon as the school got over. He was afraid of talking to anyone lest someone made fun of him. He was not a good student, but he was very truthful and sincere. To be truthful was his passion. Let's understand the words. Lest means in order to avoid. Sincere means honest. Truthful, who tells the truth. And passion means strong and deep feeling. Once he was convicted of having lied to the headmaster, Darobji Edulji Jimmy of Alfred High School in Rajkot. Gandhiji was late to the gymnasium. His clock showed a wrong time, so he reached the gym late. The headmaster did not believe him. Gandhiji brooded on the incident and came to a conclusion that a man of truth must also be a man of care. He decided that he would never put himself in such a position where his explanation would be dismissed as lies. Now children, what is the meaning of convicted? Convicted means being responsible for doing something wrong. Brooded, to think a lot about something that makes you worried or sad. Dismissed means rejected. At the age of 13, he got married to Kasturba. At the age of 19, he went to England to study law. He became a lawyer in 1891 and started working in the Indian High Court. Now children, the meaning of law means system of rules. And lawyer means a person who has a certificate in law and gives legal advice or help. Once he had to go to South Africa to handle a case. There he met many Indians who did not have any political rights. The white people did not treat the black people properly. Even Gandhiji was thrown out of the first class compartment because he was not a white man. He fought with the weapon of non-violence and satyagraha. The meaning of non-violence means the use of peaceful means, not force, to bring about political or social change. Means not to fight. Satyagraha is the idea of non-violent resistance, means fighting with peace. After returning from South Africa, he fought for the freedom of India. India won freedom on 15th August 1947, but Mahatma Gandhi died on 30th January 1948. Freedom means the state of not being controlled by somebody else. Gandhiji lived a holy life. He was a man of the people. He said, service to man is service to God, and service means pure love. Mahatma Gandhi was the foremost of the servants of humanity. Gandhiji says, I will be truthful, I will suffer no injustice, I will be free from fear, I will not use force, I will be of goodwill to all men. Now, children, what is the meaning of holy? Holy means pure. Foremost means most famous or important. Humanity. Humanity means the quality of being kind and understanding. Goodwill means friendly, helpful feelings towards other people. So, children, after reading the lesson, what have you learned? What is the moral? The moral is truthfulness means to be genuine and honest in all the things you say. Remember, God helps those who walk in the path of righteousness. Righteousness means that you think is morally good or fair. Now, children, the chapter is very easy. You have to read the chapter. Meanings are given. With the help of the meanings, you can understand the chapter very well. And then you have to answer the following questions. The questions are given at the end of the chapter. Question number 1. When and where was Gandhiji born? What was Gandhiji fondly called? Question number 3. Why did Gandhiji conclude that a man of truth must be a man of care? Why did Gandhiji conclude that a man of truth must also be a man of care? Question number 4. Why was Gandhiji thrown out of the first class compartment of the train in South Africa? Name 2 weapons used by Gandhiji in his fight for India's freedom. In the activity time, you have to identify the following leaders who fought for India's freedom, and you have to write down their names. Activity number 2, you have to color the rules which Mahatma Gandhi followed. I will speak the truth. I will use force. I will suffer injustice. I will be free from fear. Now, whichever is the correct, okay, that one you have to color. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please write down the answers and do the activity. Thank you, children. Sai Ram.